What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. So there's going to be some more sanding that needs done in here. Whenever I shot this with the filler primer, it started splitting and cracking, so that's going to have to be taken down much farther because I'm going to have to get those cracks off of there. As far as the other stuff, there was some runs over in here, but it's not a huge ordeal. It's going to get sanded down again. Let that set up and then I'll sand it, and like I said, over here I'm gonna have to use a little more to finish filling some of that stuff in. So anyways, that is getting us started. So anyways, like I say, there is some welding that needs done on the other side. I'll show you what needs done. So as you can see, the upper part of the wheel well needs some patchwork. Anyways, that there is what needs done on this side, little patchwork. Okay, so now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be knocking down the body filler and getting it ready to finish with another little coat if I need it in places. Okay, so anyways, there's going to be a little bit of mud needing over here. I think the rest will be sufficient, and probably a little mud in there. So I think everything else will be fine. Like I say, not going for show quality, but just trying to make it look a little better, a little nicer. So anyways, there was a couple of spots I needed to hit on the other side, so I went ahead and got those. But anyways, this should be fine once this side is dry and stuff. I should be able to hit it, and that should be good. I should be able to primer it like what's up here. So anyways, this side, it's just got a few spots. There's one down there, and then a couple of small little spaces, but then there's still the wheel arch that I got to take care of too. But anyways, we'll get to that. So I got this all knocked down, and it's ready for a little bit of primer. This is definitely going to need more filler. This may or may not. I'm not really positive at this point. I'll know more whenever I actually block it. But I'll work on this a little bit more, and I'm going to get to this wheel well here. Get it welded, get a piece welded in there and stuff, and then smooth it out and stuff. But anyways, I'm going to call that it for this particular video. I sure appreciate you guys watching, and there's going to be plenty more on this 89 Chevy short bed project. So anyways, I sure appreciate it. You guys watching, feel free to like, subscribe, hit the notifications if you wish, and have a spectacular day or night, whichever one it is for you. Peace out.